In this video, I am going to show you how to make thick white phenyl. Here are the ingredients for making 1 liter white phenyl: water, thickener, 50% caustic solution, white phenyl concentrate. Now let's start with the main procedure for making the phenyl. First, take 900 ml water in a 1 liter plastic container. Next, add 10 ml of thickener to this water and stir well. Stir till it's mixed properly. Next step is to add 50% caustic solution slowly to this mixture until the pH turns 7 or 7.5. If a pH meter or litmus paper is not available, another simple visual indication for the pH is that the mixture turns from milky to transparent as soon as the pH reaches close to 7. At this point, stop the addition of caustic solution. As you can see, the mixture has turned transparent. In the next step, add 50 ml of white phenyl concentrate to the mixture and stir well. The last step is to add water till the total quantity becomes 1 liter. And finally, the product is ready.